welcome to the Applewood Heights community in Mississauga. My name is Jeffrey Kerr, and I'm standing in front of 986 Parthia Crescent. This home is situated on a large corner lot with several mature trees. Just imagine sitting on the swing underneath the giant maple tree. There is an in-ground pool in the private backyard oasis. The living room garden doors lead out to the deck overlooking the pool. The front landscape ramp welcomes everyone, regardless of age or mobility, to the front entrance door. Once inside, you will immediately appreciate the grand piano-sized great room. With hardwood floors, 2 big bright bay windows, dining area, living room, elevator shaft to the lower level, and of course, the ideal location for your grand piano. It looks like we have a guest pianist joining us today. It sounds pretty good for someone who's never had a piano lesson. The eat-in kitchen has roll-under counters and lots of room to maneuver a mobility device. The wide hallway leads to 3 main floor bedrooms: the king-size primary bedroom, the queen-size second bedroom, and the third bedroom, which can also be used as a home office. The main bathroom has a roll-under vanity and bathtub. The finished lower level has a huge rec room with wood-burning fireplace and open concept study. The spacious washroom has a roll-in shower, roll-under counter, and plenty of cupboard space. This home is close to schools, shops, restaurants, public transit, and is centrally located between the QEW, 427, and 403. I invite you to come tour 986 Parthia Crescent and see for yourself why this home is the perfect opportunity to buy an accessible bungalow with an in-ground pool in a quiet Mississauga neighborhood.